Namaste Bitya. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself Dr. Mona Patak, Assistant Professor in Pathology Department, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University in Jaipur. So today's topic is cholecystitis. So let's start today's topic. Introduction. Now what is cholecystitis? Cholecystitis means inflammation of the gallbladder, which may be acute or chronic, or acute superimposed or chronic. Chronic cholecystitis is more common. Acute cholecystitis is in surgical emergency. What are the etiology of cholecystitis? Acute cholecystitis, in which 90% of cases it is caused by obstruction in neck of gallbladder by a gallstone. The obstruction causes distension of the gallbladder, which is followed by secondary bacterial infection and irritation of retention of bile. In 10% cases, cholecystitis occurs without a presence of gallstone, probably due to the trauma of the gallbladder, severe sepsis, dehydration, torsion of gallbladder, and diabetes mellitus. In chronic cholecystitis, which is caused by repeated attack of mild acute cholecystitis. In these pictures, you can see cholesterol, gallstone, wall which are thickened due to inflammation. These are the mixed gallstone. These are the thickened wall of the gallbladder. Next, clinical features of acute cholecystitis. In acute cholecystitis, we can see the patient of acute cholecystitis of either types have similar clinical features. They present with a severe pain in the upper abdomen with features of peritoneal irritation such as guarding and hyperesthesia. The gallbladder is tender, may be palpable. Fever, leukocytosis with neutrophilia and slight jaundice are generally present. Early cholecystectomy within the first 3 days has a mortality of less than 0.5% and risk of complications such as perforation, biliary fistula, recurrent attacks in addition is avoided. However, medical treatment brings about a resolution in a fairly large proportion of cases, though chances of recurrence of acute persistent. Clinical features of chronic cholecystitis. In chronic cholecystitis has ill-defined and vague symptoms. Generally, the patient a fat, fertile female of 40 or 50% with abdominal distension or epigastric discomfort, especially after a fatty meal. There is a constant dull ache in the right hypochondrium and epigastrium and tenderness over the right upper abdomen. Nausea and flatulence are common. Biliary colic may be occasionally occur due to the passage of stone into the bile ducts. Cholecystography usually allow radiological visualization of the gallstones. When we talk about morphological features, in acute cholecystitis we see grossly gallbladder is distended and tense with congestion in the wall. The lumen is filled with purulent material is known as emphyema of the gallbladder. Microscopically we see marked inflammatory edema with neutrophilic infiltration. In chronic cholecystitis, we see grossly gallbladder become contracted and thickened. Microscopically, chronic inflammatory reaction with mononuclear cells infiltration like lymphocyte and macrophage, variable degree of fibrosis in gallbladder. You can see in pictures hypertrophied muscularis wall, mononuclear inflammatory infiltrate, perimuscular fibrosis. This is the microscopical features. So this is all about cholecystitis. Thanks all of you.